Last year of December 2011, we visited the Oasis at Lake Travis in Austin, Texas. The restaurant was first built in 1982. It was founded by a Houston entrepreneur named Beau Theroux, and through his vision, its rise to fame as the Sunset Capital of Texas.
Oasis restaurant. Welcome back, guys. We're going to see what's in here. Okay, let's explore all together. Let's go. Boba tea. Let's get inside. Let's get inside. Welcome to Oasis. Please do not climb on statue. Wala ako sang bilihan. Lagi ako sang ibiling.
However, a tragedy happened. June 1st, 2005, fire that took place at the restaurant after lightning struck the land in the surrounding property. Parts of the facility that were not damaged were reopened within weeks, while other parts were rebuilt. The Oasis started off as just an idea, and now, piece by piece, the building was remodeled and built out to serve more patrons on Lake Travis.
Look at po, picturean. Here guys at Oasis restaurant in Austin, Texas. Maybe this is very popular because there are a lot of people. Yeah, it's overlooking Travis Lake. Look at the lake. Oh, it's really beautiful, pretty view right here. And then this is a big restaurant. Sorry, baby. Big restaurant. And we're gonna eat later. We're waiting for our food.
By 2005, the restaurant was able to seat 2,800 people, making it the biggest outdoor restaurant in Texas.
We can't go down anymore. It's just up to here. It's really nice.
The Oasis hosts weddings, proms, and any other party you can think of. This is my favorite place in the restaurant. One of their most famous traditions is called Lover's Locks. Couples, friends, you name it, grab a lock from the gift shop and lock it to the balcony on their decks to make sure the memories they made during their visit never fade.
Claro, ¿no?
Ha? Bati man di hagkuan. Bati mag. O kana oh, nice.
This is our food. I don't know. I ordered fish taco. And this is only a starter and it's really big. Asher's still waiting for her order. Yeah, let's eat guys. Let's eat. Outdoor eating. Saan ni pa? Saan ba?
Beans. Ano yung tawag? Refried beans.
Fried beans? Ano ka siya? Nadugay pa.
Huwag mo sila i-prepare.
Okay, that's all for tonight.
Bananas from before the 1950s.
That's all for tonight, guys. Okay, na may kahurot sa mga food.
Bananas,
We're not able to finish our
the
food.
bananas we had, like the bananas we have
Okay,
today.
we're going now. We're
is a
going
different breed
home.
from these. The bananas that were commercially sold.
Okay, this is the Oasis.
Bananas, but because of the banana plate,
Oasis restaurant in Austin, Texas. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. See you on my next